Okay, so the first album I've ever owned was Mariah Carey's first self-titled debut album. My father gave it to me. It was one of the really awesome things that he ever did in my life, and so I'm really bored. So I decided to straighten my hair, sort of, straight curl it, and put on some makeup and sing a Mariah Carey song. Why not, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and sing this song, and this is an oldie, but one that wasn't one of her most famous hits, but it was on the radio a little bit. And sorry, my husband's like asking me, "Do you want me to hold the camera for you?" Actually, yeah, right there. This is live, so they're like, "What?" Anyway, so I'm just gonna sing this song to you, and hopefully it'll be encouraging because that's kind of my thing. I like to encourage. So it goes like this. When you get caught in the rain with nowhere to run, when you're distraught and in pain without anyone, when you keep crying out to be saved, but nobody comes, and you feel so far away that you just can't find your way home. You can get there alone. It's okay. What you say is, oh, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own. And I know that I'm strong enough to mend. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tighter to my faith. And I live one more day. And I make it through the rain. Oh. And if you keep falling down, don't you dare give in. You will arise safe and sound. So keep pressing on steadfastly, and you'll find what you need to prevail. What you say is, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own. And I know that I'm strong enough to mend. And every time I feel afraid, I will hold tightly to my faith. And I live one more day. And I make it through the rain. And when the rain blows, as shadows grow close, don't be afraid. There's nothing that you can't face. And should they tell you that you'll never pull through, oh, don't hesitate. Stand tall and say, I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once again on my own. And I know that I'm strong enough to mend. And every time I feel afraid, I will hold tightly to my faith. And I'll live one more day. And I'll make it through the rain. Oh, and and so will you.